loves, thank you so much for tuning into my channel. If you're new, my name is Love, and let's get started. So today we're going to be learning how to resize our documents in Adobe InDesign. So the first thing you want to do is go ahead and pull up your file in Adobe InDesign. Then you're going to go over to the left side panel and select the page tool. Then from there, we're going to go to our actual page on the right side. Make sure all your pages are selected. You can do this by hitting Shift and then tapping all of the pictures. Once you have them all selected, we'll just close that. And then you go up to the top where liquid page rule is, then you'll select it and go down to scale. Then from there, you're going to go to where you see letter, scroll down, and then here are the options that you have. If you don't see what you're looking for, you can go to custom and create a custom size. So for the purposes of this video, we're going to go with A5. And generally it will resize it perfectly. Sometimes you'll see a little on the edge here, and all you have to do is just resize that and then you're good to go. Okay, perfect. And we're just going to hit the W key, and this is what it looks like. So from there you can go up to File, save it as an Adobe InDesign file here, or you can export it as a PDF or a JPEG. So I'm going to export it as a PDF. And then you hit save. This will pop up. I leave everything the exact same. So you can go ahead and look at these settings. So compatibility is Acrobat 5. Pages, all is selected. Viewing is default. Layout is default as well. I have view PDF after exporting checked. You don't have to have this checked. Options are optimized for fast web view and create tagged PDF. Export layers is visible and printable layers. And then lastly, interactive elements do not include. And then you just hit export. And then you're all done. So that's how you resize your documents in Adobe InDesign. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram at @ShellLove. Also, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Bye, loves.